Hello from Fette Compacting America. Here's a quick video depicting our feeder base place options.
The Filamatic feeder from Fette Compacting's tablet presses is offered with a variety of baseplate options. The standard baseplate here on the right utilizes a fixed filling channel. However, there is an improved version of the baseplate that we see here on the left that utilizes removable filling channel inserts. The inserts are available in 3 varying widths of 11, 16, and 25 millimeters, and they can be manufactured either from Delrin or brass. The point of the design is that the insert itself can be slid into the machine channel easily. The widths ensure that you have optimized yields, and at the completion of a batch, the insert can easily be removed without the use of tools. For more information, please visit our website.
Fette Compacting. Be efficient.